So here we are at 3110 Munsel Lake Road here in Florence near the golf course. And we have a 1971 home that was completely renovated in 2008. All new concrete composite siding was put on, and I believe it was called Elk Roofing at that time. And so when you walk in here to the garage, you'll notice that this is a much larger than it appears on the exterior. This is like a double car garage with a single car door. All the appliances are included, lots of shelves. Everywhere you look there's storage. And back here we have like a woodshed that could be torn off and turned into some kind of an RV parking for a boat or an RV. The appliances are included. As we walk in toward the kitchen here, we have all laminate flooring. Straight ahead there, what we're looking at is used to be a dining room, but then in further where the lights are, we have a formal dining area. Now that used to be a bedroom that was converted to a formal dining. Off to our right, we have a huge fenced backyard. And when I say fenced, it's fenced all the way around for people with pets, and there's more around the back end you cannot see. Over this direction, we look toward the living room. We have a large picture window in the living room, nice fireplace with an insert, and the entryway right there. As we go down the hallway, we have a ADA bathroom on the left that was all installed brand new in 2008. Very nice bathroom with like a Jack and Jill door that goes into the primary bedroom, so it's like a shared bathroom. Going on around the corner, we have the second bedroom, and so there you have it. That's pretty much it.